Dear all, greetings. Today we will discuss about pharmaceutical quality system, which is ICH Q10 guideline, its introduction and glossary part. Quality management system definition. QMS is a collection of policies, procedures, plans, resources, processes, practices, responsibilities, and authority of an organization to achieve product and services quality, customer satisfaction, and company objectives. QMS is a universal concept and this is applicable to almost all the industries. Why PQS? Generally, this question will come as we have QMS, then what is the use of PQS? Here, we have to understood that QMS is a quality management system which is applicable to almost all the industries, whereas pharmaceutical quality system is specifically applicable to pharmaceutical industries regard to quality management. Content of presentation includes ICH Q10 history, introduction, scope, relationship of ICH Q10 to regional GMP requirements, ISO quality concepts, and ICH Q7, relationship of ICH Q10 to regulatory approach, ICH Q10 objectives, Q10 enablers, Q10 design and content consideration, ICH Q10 model, quality manual, and glossary. Q10 document history. On 4th June 2008, approval by the steering committee under step 4 and a recommendation for adoption to the three ICH regulatory bodies includes European Union, Japan, and USA. ICH Q10 introduction. The ICH Q10 guideline describing a model for an effective quality management system for the pharmaceutical industry referred to as the Pharmaceutical Quality System or ICH Q10 model. Definition of PQS is a management system to direct and control a pharmaceutical company with regard to quality. It means PQS establishes the quality standards in the pharmaceutical industry as well as establish the controls to achieve the quality standards. Now the basic question will come, what is the foundation for ICH Q10? The foundation for ICH Q10 includes ICH Q7, ISO quality concepts, regional GMP requirements like Schedule M, enhances the concepts of ICH Q8 and Q9, collectively describes one comprehensive model for an effective pharmaceutical quality system. As part of applicability, ICH Q10 model is applicable throughout the different stages of the product life cycle. The product life cycle stages includes pharmaceutical development, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, and product discontinuation. Product life cycle. Product life cycle includes the following stages: pharmaceutical development, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, and product discontinuation. As part of pharmaceutical development, the following technical activities will be carried out: drug substance design and its manufacturing process development, formulation design and its manufacturing process development, manufacturing process development for existing products for scale up, analytical method development, manufacture of investigational products. In general, investigational products will be used for clinical trial purpose. Technology transfer. Technology transfer includes new products technology transfer and marketed products technology transfer. New products technology transfers will be carried out from development lab to manufacturing site. For marketed products, the technology transfers will be carried out between the manufacturing sites or within the manufacturing sites. Commercial manufacturing. As part of commercial manufacturing, procurement of raw material and analyze it for its compliance status and release it for usage. Installation of facilities, utilities and equipments and its qualification. The product manufactured will be sent to QC for analysis. Based on the assurance of its compliance status, the material will be released, followed by storage and distribution. The last stage of the product life cycle is product discontinuation, includes retention of documentation, sample retention. The management should have predefined approach for handling of stability samples as well as customer complaints should be carried out as per regulatory requirement. Now we will learn about few general concepts of ICH Q10. Much of the content of ICH Q10 applicable to manufacturing sites is currently specified by regional GMP requirements. ICH Q10 is not intended to create any new expectations beyond current regulatory requirements. The content of ICH Q10 that is additional to current regional GMP requirements is optional. The support of an effective pharmaceutical quality system to enhance quality and availability of the medicines. The implementation of ICH Q10 facilities innovation and continual improvement and strengthen the link between pharmaceutical development and manufacturing activities. Relationship of ICH Q10 to regional GMP requirements, ISO standards and ICH Q7. ICH Q7, regional GMPs and ISO standards are the foundation for ICH Q10. Management responsibility, quality system elements, enablers, and objectives are not specifically defined in regional GMP requirements, whereas management responsibility, quality system elements, enablers, and objectives are specifically defined, and these will helpful to enhance the regional GMP requirements. ICH Q10 should be used together with regional GMP requirements. These regional GMP requirements do not specifically address the all stages of product life cycle, whereas ICH Q10 addresses the applicability of GMP at all the stages of product life cycle. In regional GMP requirements, approaches for continual improvements are not specifically defined. In ICH Q10 encourages the use of science and risk-based approaches at each life cycle stage, thereby promoting the continual improvement across the entire product life cycle. Relationship of ICH Q10 to regulatory approach. The regulatory approaches for specific product or manufacturing facility should be commensurate with the following details: the level of product and process understanding, the results of quality risk management, the effectiveness of the pharmaceutical quality system. In general, the effectiveness of the pharmaceutical quality system can normally be evaluated during the regulatory inspection at the manufacturing site. ICH Q10 enablers. Knowledge management and quality risk management are the enablers of ICH Q10 facilitates to implement ICH Q10 effectively and successfully, achieve ICH Q10 objectives, achieve continual improvement of process performance and product quality. Knowledge management. The definition of knowledge management is a systematic approach for acquiring, analyzing, and storing and circulating. Implementation of scientific approaches provide knowledge for product and process understanding. Product and process knowledge should be carried out throughout the product life cycle. Source of knowledge includes public domain, internal procedures, pharmaceutical development studies, technology transfer activities, process validation, manufacturing experience, innovation, continual improvement, and change management. Quality risk management. Quality risk management is integral to an effective pharmaceutical quality system. It can provide the proactive approach to identifying, scientifically evaluating, and controlling potential risks to quality. ICH Q9 provides principles and tools for quality risk management that can be implemented to different aspects of pharmaceutical quality. ICH Q10 objectives. The implementation of ICH Q10 model should result in the achievement of the three main objectives and enhances regional GMP requirements. ICH Q10 objectives are achieve product realization, establish and maintain a state of control, facilitate continual improvement. Achieve product realization. This means whatever the product developed, its quality attributes. Quality attributes means the physico-chemical properties of the developed product should meet the needs of the patients, healthcare professionals, regulatory authorities, internal and external customers. To achieve product realization, the procedures should be established, implemented, and maintained to develop a product quality by using the science-based approach. Means we have to use technical approach during the development of the product. Second, establish and maintain a state of control. This means The process performance and product quality should provide the assurance of continued suitability and capability of the process. To achieve, establish and maintain the state of control, management should establish the effective monitoring and control systems by using the quality risk management tool. Facilitate continual improvement. This means we always look for product quality improvements, process improvements, variability reduction, innovations, and pharmaceutical quality system enhancements to increase the ability to fulfill the quality needs consistently. To achieve facilitate continual improvement, identify the areas for improvement by using the tool quality risk management system. To achieve the pharmaceutical quality system objectives, this guideline describes specific enablers, quality system elements, and management responsibility. Pharmaceutical quality system enablers are knowledge management and quality risk management. Pharmaceutical quality system elements are process performance and product quality monitoring, corrective and preventive action, change management, and management review. ICH Q10 scope. ICH Q10 applies to the systems supporting the development and manufacture of drug substances, drug products, including biotechnology and biological products throughout the product life cycle. ICH Q10 element should be applied at each life cycle stage of the product. ICH Q10 representation includes product life cycle, pharmaceutical quality system enablers, pharmaceutical quality system elements, management responsibility. All these four components will be helpful in achieving ICH Q10 objectives. This diagram illustrates the major features of ICH Q10 model. The first row illustrates the different stages of the product life cycle, includes pharmaceutical development, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, and product discontinuation. Next row illustrates the applicability of regional GMPs during commercial manufacturing as well as the applicability of regional GMPs during the manufacturing of investigational products. Whereas this ICH Q10 model describes the applicability of GMP at all the stages of the product life cycle. Next row illustrates the management responsibilities followed by pharmaceutical quality system elements applicability. The pharmaceutical quality system elements are process performance and product quality monitoring system, corrective action, preventive action system, change management system, management review. The last row illustrates about the PQS enablers includes knowledge management and quality risk management. Design and content consideration of ICH Q10. Pharmaceutical quality system should be well structured and clear to facilitate common understanding and consistent application. When developing the new pharmaceutical quality system or modifying the existing one, the size and complexity of the company's activity should be considered. The pharmaceutical quality system aspects can be either company-wise or it depends on site-specific. Pharmaceutical quality system should include the process, resources and responsibilities to provide assurance of quality of outsourced activities and purchased materials. Pharmaceutical quality system should include the application of elements throughout the product life cycle. Management responsibility should be included as part of pharmaceutical quality system. Performance indicators should be included to monitor the effectiveness of process. Quality manual contains a description of PQS, includes quality policy, scope of PQS, PQS process, its sequence and linkage, process maps and flowcharts. Tools can be used to facilitate depicting PQS in visual manner. Management responsibility should be captured. As part of glossary, we will discuss about quality policy, quality objectives, performance indicators. Quality policy. It's a responsibility of the senior management to establish a quality policy. Quality policy includes overall intentions and the direction of an organization related to quality. Intention means goals and the direction means control strategy. These intentions and control strategies are converted into measurable activities. Those are called quality objectives. These measurable values, or we can say the obtained quality objective values, will be used to reflect the performance of an organization, process, or system known as performance matrix, or we can say performance indicators.
Control strategy. A planned set of controls derived from current product and process understanding that assures process performance and product quality. The examples for set of controls include finished product specifications, facility and equipment operating conditions, and in-process controls. Capability of a process. Ability of a process to release a product that will fulfill the requirements of that product. The concept of process capability can also be defined in statistical terms. Continual improvement, recurring activity to increase the ability to fulfill requirements. State of control, a condition in which the set of controls consistently provides assurance of continued process performance and product quality. Pharmaceutical quality system, management system to direct and control a pharmaceutical company with regard to quality. Corrective action. Suppose whenever the non-conformity is detected, we will go for investigation. Based on the investigation, we will identify the cause. Whatever the actions we have taken to eliminate that cause, those are called corrective actions. In general, corrective action is taken to prevent reoccurrence, whereas preventive action is taken to prevent occurrence. Preventive action. Action to eliminate the cause of a potential non-conformity. Though we have not identified any non-conformity, based on the proactive approach, we will plan to remove the potential cause for the potential non-conformity. Those are called preventive actions. Preventive action is taken to prevent occurrence, whereas corrective action is taken to prevent reoccurrence. Change management, a systematic approach to propose, evaluating, approving, implementing, and reviewing of changes. Change management includes five parts. First one is we have to propose the change, we have to evaluate the change, followed by approval, then implement the changes and its effectiveness to be monitored. Design space means we have to consider the n number of inputs and its quality attributes and process parameters. By combining all this, we have to demonstrate to provide the assurance of quality. Enabler. In this case, ICH-Q10, knowledge management and quality risk management will helpful to achieve an ICH-Q10 objectives. Feedback. Feedback means so whatever the evidence of results, based on the evidence of results, we will go for modification and control of a process. That is feedback. What is feed forward? Based on the anticipated results, means based on the expected results, we will go for modification or control of a process. That is feed forward. Feedback and feed forward can be applied technically in process control strategies. Innovation, the introduction of new technologies or methodologies. Knowledge management, systematic approach to acquiring, analyzing, storing, and disseminating information related to products, manufacturing process, and components. Means it is having four stages. First, you have to acquire the knowledge related to products and manufacturing process. That knowledge should be analyzed for its correctness. Then it should be appropriately documented. Then it should be spread through during the manufacturing of the process to all the employees who are working in the shop floor. Outsourced activities. Activities conducted by a contract acceptor under a written agreement with a contract giver. That is called outsourced activities. In this case, two are important. Contract acceptor and contract giver. There should be a written agreement for those activities to be performed. Product realization. Achievement of a product with the quality attributes appropriate to meet the needs of patients, healthcare professionals, and regulatory authorities and internal customer requirements. Senior management, persons who direct and control a company or site at the highest levels with the authority and responsibility to mobilize resources within the company or site. Quality, the degree to which a set of inherent properties of a product, system, or process fulfills requirements. In this case, inherent properties means the product, its physicochemical properties and microbiological properties, how these values are close to the established standards. Quality manual, document specifying the quality management system of an organization. Quality planning, part of quality management focused on setting quality objectives and specifying necessary operational processes and related resources to fulfill the quality objectives. Risk management, a systematic process for the assessment, control, communication, and review of risk to the quality of the drug product across the product life cycle.